Hey everyone, so this is my review of the iHealth blood pressure cuff monitor. This is really awesome because it syncs with my iPhone really well. I can also sync with it via Bluetooth. So if I had any other devices that I had the iHealth app on there, I could use that for that. It's very easy to use. It's not overly complicated at all. You just start and stop right there. So you start it, starts it up. You want to make sure you have this on already before you do that though. And then it starts the process of taking your blood pressure. Of course, you can stop it just the way that I did. Right here are going to be all your different modes and your ability to be able to add it to the, I guess, the cloud or wherever it is that you sync it as well. And the more that you press it, I don't have any readings on there right now for obviously medical privacy. But that's also how you would go about trying to pull up all your past readings because it does store those. Now on the back is where your power is going to be. So if you just take this off right there, it does take 4 AAA batteries. And so I've got my trusty Amazon Basics rechargeable batteries there. I probably only have to recharge those every 2 months or so. And this travels really well too. It's not the lightest device that iHealth makes for blood pressure monitoring, but it is up there. And of course this piece comes out too, so you can replace this if you need to. And then of course it just goes into the bottom like that. So anyways, really cool.